Okay, for our first project, I'm going to have you take some files that I supplied for you on the Angel drive up on the disk. That everything you need to create this project is in there. You just need to pick and choose what you want to use. So if we go in here and we do a file open, actually I'm sorry, we're going to do file new document, and I'm just going to pick regular old letter size because it's just going to be a flyer, okay? So it's going to be a Halloween cookie flyer. If we want, we can do Browse in Bridge. If anybody has looked at this yet, Browse in Bridge is going to open up Bridge, which is a program that allows us to take a look at everything, kind of like a file browser, but it's going to work in any Adobe product. It's really cool. I love it for doing all my photography work when I do stuff like that. Lightroom, if anybody's familiar with Lightroom, it works a lot like Lightroom, but a little different. Lightroom's a little better, but we'll check this out. So if I go to my computer and I go to my hard drive that I've got going on here, and let's go to my BCC classes and desktop publishing, and you will find, where is it? We can scroll through. I've got mine set up, here we go, so that all the folders and drives are down here on the right, and then when you open this up, you'll see everything large in the center. You can move these tabs around wherever you want to move them. If you want to change things around, you can change the size of things. It works really nice. So now I can take a look. I gave you all these cookies. I gave you all these frosted cookies and pieces of candy and a mummy and Halloween header, all these different things. And you notice that they'll show you exactly their JPEGs and JPEG files, all these different pieces that you can use. So if you want to use any of these, you can. You do not have to use these if you don't want. You can make up your own, create your own, go find your own, whatever you want to do, but they're there. And then if we come back so we come back to the Halloween cookies and we find text, you're going to find a Word document in there that you're going to actually place into your InDesign document and use all the copy. You have to, this is the requirement here, you have to use this Word doc. You have to put all that text in there. You can work the text as much as you want, headlines, whatever you want, however you want to play it. You do it. But we'll go back to InDesign. So I'm going to do File, Place, and I'm going to go to that folder, find the Halloween cookies, and get the text, and place it, and see how it loads up that cursor right away, and boom, now we have the Halloween cookie recipe. And then we can go ahead and we can file, place, and we can find an image that we like. I'm going to try the spooky cookie that's here. Open that, place that on the page, and as you can see, it's large, so we're going to size it down. I'm going to hold down the Shift and Command and grab the corner and size it down, and I'm going to just play with all this stuff and put together my layout, and I can put that to the back, whatever I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and design and build my Halloween cookie flyer from here, and when you're done, then we'll submit it. We'll all talk about it in a critique. You will have you'll have 1 full week to create this flyer. Pretty simple stuff, nothing major. Again, the requirements are you have to use the text and you have to have some images. Whether or not you use the images I supplied, that's totally up to you, but you have to have some images. You gotta, have headline. So think about the layout, the flow of the text, a little bit like that. Again, this is not a design class, so I'm not grading you on how great it looks or how well it's designed. You gotta be able to work with InDesign. You got to be able to use the tools that are here available to you, and we'll know if you did what you're supposed to do just from looking at it. Okay? Good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, if you need to come in for class time and be one-on-one, I'm available on Wednesday nights, and please get a hold of me and let me know. And if even need be, we could figure something out other than Wednesday. Okay? Thanks, and good luck.